Hey guys, welcome to Epic Unboxing! What's up? Today we are unboxing the OPPO R17 Pro. My name is Natasha. You've probably never seen me here before because this is my first time on TechNave. Alright, so this is the phone that you're looking at. How awesome this looks. So this phone runs on the Snapdragon 710, which is something that is really new here in Malaysia, as well as the Color OS. And then I forgot my lines. It comes with a pretty sturdy Corning Gorilla Glass 6. And the display on this is pretty huge, given that the notch is a lot smaller than usual phones, which is a water drop notch, and this is at 6.4 inches total. Here's what's really interesting about this phone. It comes with a 3.7K amp battery, which is divided into two. So this is to utilize the 50-watt SuperVOOC fast charging technology, which is really cool. Which, by the way, can charge 40% battery in 10 minutes. So yeah, if you guys want to just run out, you guys have to go out and you guys have like no battery, just plug it in for 10 minutes and boom, you're good.
Okay.
Now for the main feature of this device. The main feature of this is, of course, the camera. So this camera was marketed as a triple camera phone, which is very interesting because the main camera is at 12 megapixels, secondary camera at 20 megapixels, and the third one is a 3D TOF denser, which means that your portrait selfies would be amazing. Also, nothing to note, this is the second camera ever that has a dual aperture right in the lens. Okay, that is pretty cool. And of course, for your selfie needs, we also have the front selfie camera at 25 megapixels. That's a big number, okay? Alright guys, so let's try out the camera. So we have a few props here, which is this plant, and we have our friends here, the Hulk and what's his name again? And this is how the normal photo. Wow, that's really cool. So what's really cool I found is that when you press on green plants, so this is how the photo looks like. Looks pretty crisp actually. I can see all the detailing. Nothing's blurred out. It's fine. The Hulk and our Iron Man friend here looks really cool. Okay, so now let's try out the portrait mode over here. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I think it looks pretty cool. They did a pretty good job with the edges. I mean, some of them are a little bit blurred, but most of the photos are actually done pretty well. Good job, OPPO, with their phone. Alright, now I want to check out their aperture. So I heard that the aperture is actually used more for night mode. Wait, am I correct? Alright guys, this is also kind of cool. This camera also comes with a bunch of filters like Black Coffee, 2048, love letters, and so on. I can see myself playing in the future, as well as Smart Beauty and Natural. So this is really cool. People have been talking for a while now about #BeautyGate. Let's check out the 25 megapixel selfie camera. So this is me in Smart Beauty mode. Jeez, I don't look like myself. I'm mildly concerned, so I don't think I will be touching the beauty mode anymore. Okay, another thing that I do want to try out is the normal selfie. So this is without the beauty filter. Actually, lighting better here. That's pretty good, guys. And I can see every single blemish and imperfection on my face. Good job! What? Alright guys, if you guys want to get your hands on the OPPO R17 Pro, it'll be out this month in Malaysia, so look out for that. And for more news on OPPO and everything tech, everything else in between, follow us at technave.com.